Hello students, today we will learn a new sum in the chapter of trial balance. That is, you have to prepare a trial balance from the given cash book and the various kinds of ledger accounts. Okay, so here we have got a cash book in the books of Shekhar Brothers on 30th April 2015, and there are various kinds of other ledger accounts also. So as you all know, the cash book contains a debit balance, and this is a cash book with cash and bank column. So here we have the balance of cash book as cash rupees 55,500, and bank column the balance is closing balance is 3,80,000. Okay, and here you can see that there is a capital account and it is showing a credit balance, that is the closing balance is showing as 2 lakh by balance BD. So now let us see the various other kinds of ledger accounts that has been given in the sum. Okay, so here we have purchase account which is not balanced properly. The purchase account is not balanced, it is not closed, but we can see that there is the last entry is of sundries as per purchase book, credit purchase 4,70,000. So total we can assume that purchase with credit as well as cash purchase. Okay, here they have made the purchase in bank, through check. So the total purchase consists of 4,90,000. Okay, similarly sales account also, here is the cash sales and credit sales. So total sales will sum up to 8,54,000. Okay, and then here we have one person's personal account, Dinesh account, which is showing us a credit balance of 58,000. See, this is the closing balance of Dinesh. So it is showing us 58,000, right? Credit balance. Then we have Gopal. Gopal account is showing us a debit balance, to balance BD 80,000 here. Then we have Nitin account. Nitin account is also showing us debit balance 50,000. Okay, now the furniture account is showing us a debit balance of 25,000. Rent account is also not balanced, so it is showing rent account is to cash account. That means rent is being paid for 4,000. Okay, so rent is an expense, so it will be shown in the debit side of trial balance. Then drawings account is showing us a debit balance of 15,000 to balance BD. Salaries account, it is showing us it's not closed, so 14,500. This will continue. So salaries account, it is a nominal account expense, so it will be debit account. It will show in the debit side. And then purchase return account 2,000. Okay, so these are the various kinds of ledger accounts which were given. Now from this balances of ledger account, we'll just simply post them accordingly. So as you see, the cash account, this means the cash book. Okay, so the balance of cash book, which I told you earlier, it was 55,500 in the debit side. So they are being posted in the debit side of trial balance, cash and bank. And then we have capital account, it was credit balance of 2 lakh. Purchase account, the total purchase sums up to 4,90,000. So purchase contains debit balance, so it is written in the debit side. Then sales account will be shown in 8,54,000 credit side. Dinesh was showing us a credit balance, so we have written in the credit side. That means Dinesh okay, then Gopal is showing us debit balance, so we have written it in the debit side 80,000. Nitin also 50,000, furniture 25,000. These all contained debit balance. That means the ledger account was showing debit balance, so we have written it at the debit side of the trial balance. Okay, so here since Dinesh is showing us a credit balance, so this means Dinesh is a creditor. Okay, and Gopal, Nitin, they are showing us debit balance, so that means they are the debtors for the company. Okay, so now we move on to the further accounts. Okay, so rent, it was showing a debit balance, so rent is written in the debit side of as 4,000. Drawings was showing debit balance, so 15,000 in debit side. Salaries were showing debit balance, so 14,500, and purchase return was showing as 2,000 in the credit side. Okay, so now if you sum up both the debit and the credit side of the trial balance, as I told you, it has to be equal, so it is totaled as 11,14,000. So here what we have done is simply we have posted the balances of various ledger accounts and the cash book for cash and bank column. Okay, so till this much for today. If you face any problem, kindly contact me. Thank you, children.